Hello friends, I am here again with another video. In this video, I will tell you about how you can download and install Visual Studio. So let's start. First we open our browser and here I open my Google. Okay, so my Google is open and now here I type download Visual Studio Dev Essentials. Okay, so here I choose Visual Studio Dev Essentials and many links appear here, so I click on first link. Okay, so this page appears in front of me and here you have to click on join or access now. Okay, so first of all I scroll down and see what's the features available in this software. Okay, so now I click on join or access now, and when you click on this, another page will appear and here you have to sign in with your Microsoft account. Okay, so my Microsoft account is already here listed, so I click on this and my Microsoft account is logged in this Visual Studio website. Here you see my name is appear. So now we scroll down and here you see other softwares are also mentioned, so we click on download option and go to this download page. Here you see developer tools Visual Studio 2019 is available. Okay, so I click on this and when I click on this, another page will appear in front of me and here you see the page is loading and again here you see Visual Studio 2019 is written already, so I type here community and when I press enter you see here Visual Studio Community 2019 appear, so I click on download button and another page will appear and here it is written thank you for downloading Visual Studio. Okay, so here a pop-up will appear and it says that you have downloaded previously, so I cancel this and close this browser and open this PC, and then I open my downloads folder where I downloaded the file, and here you see I go to program section and when I press alt and enter key, here you see it is of size 1.39 MB only. Okay, so I close this and double click on this and then I close this window and wait for a few minutes. Okay, so I wait for 1 or 2 minutes and here you see Visual Studio installer appears. Okay, here it is written privacy policy and all, so I click on continue and in few seconds it disappears and again this window appear and here you see it is written getting things ready and I maximize this and here you see many software are listed. Okay, so we have to choose in this what we have to install, so I scroll down and here you see other tool sets are given but we don't need this, so I scroll above and here you see for gaming purpose it is given, so we scroll. Now here you see desktop and mobile development tools are there, so we don't select here also, and then we scroll more and then I select this ASP.NET. Okay, and then I select this Azure development and this one .NET desktop development. Okay, and here you see many other things are also listed but I have no use of those things. Okay, so I scroll down and check here what are the things that are going to install in my system, and here you see many things: .NET framework, LiveShare, IntelliCode, .NET development tools, Blend for Visual Studio and all these things. Here you see it is written 12.16 GB. Okay, space required, so we click on install button and then here you see download operation and install operation is listed, so we wait for a few minutes to let it be completed. Okay, so where we wait and here you see it is downloading very fastly because I forwarded the video with 10x speed. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds, let it be completed, then I will show you the next steps of how you can create a project. Okay, so be with me till end and watch this video carefully and apply it on your system. Okay, here you see the process is completed and this pop-up will appear. So we wait, and here you see it is given sign in option, so we don't do this, we skip this for now and hang on. Then you choose here general or JavaScript, Visual Basic, Visual C. Has many options are available here, so I don't choose option, I just click on general, and the 4 themes are available for you. I prefer the dark one, that's why I click on the dark option theme and then start Visual Studio. Okay, so we are preparing for first use, we have to wait for some time and close this window and then maximize this. And now here you see a quick access section is there, so we open our project or we create a new project. So I click on create a new project option, and here you see there are many options listed, but I select the first one which says C#, or C#, Linux, Mac OS, Windows and console applications are there. So I click on next and wait for a few seconds. Now you have to give your project name. I give it default name, click on next, and target framework is also default. So we click on create button, so it will create a project for us. So we wait for a few seconds, then window closes and it reappears, and here you see a hello world program is written for us in C# language. So we click on play button and try to run this program. Okay, here you see build is started and we have to wait for a few seconds. Here you see it is processing, so we wait, we scroll down to see anything is written or not. Here you see a icon which is animating, so here a console window is appear in front of us, and here you see our program run successfully and display the hello world message. So that's it for today. Now we close it by pressing any key, and then close this window and close this window too. That's all for today guys, so we meet in next video with another topic. Now we close everything, and if you want to watch more videos of mine, you can click on watch more button and subscribe my channel to stay connected with me. Bye bye, take care.